Hey people, so this is my 8th video of the day and I can hardly wait to just start eating and lead a normal life. Yeah, imagine. No, but I shouldn't be complaining so much. I mean, sweethearts, people, like this whole thing of being on YouTube calls for a certain amount of commitment. It's like commitment, and your family members also should kind of understand the sort of effort you put into, because shooting a video, you need that time, you need to, it's, and especially those of us who already have jobs, and practically I do three jobs, my regular job, my ebook writing, and this, and YouTube. So it it's a bit of juggling, but life is good. See, now last two videos and then I'm free. Oh my god, like really. So yeah, this is my 8th video, and so that's what, for any budding YouTuber out there, just realize that this little amount of commitment is required, but it's okay. Everything in life requires commitment. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.